Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best app that its name is Pocket, Save, Read and Grow. It is the app that you can read news and article and you can save it. It is the best app, save great content from anywhere, read it everywhere, listen to articles, absorb knowledge, and let your interests grow. It's about 99.8 MB in iOS and less on Android. I recommend all of you guys to download the app if you love reading news and articles. It's for you. Let's open it. What's inside my list? It's your pocket journey starts now. That I'm not from now. I didn't follow any people that shared news. And here is the discover how to make yourself work when you just don't want to. It is the Donald Trump news, the rise of American authoritarianism. It is the deep inside Taco Bell's Doritos Locas Taco. And here we have the activity that find people to follow. And here it's my profile. Here it is the option. We can go premium, restore existing subscription, edit profile, help, and link Google. And here we have the dim, dark, sepia, and light. We also have switch dim automatically, match system dim, open best view, the scroll bar, page flipping, justify text, continue reading. Set browse preference, we can set it from Safari. I don't have any browsing app. If I have, it's show it in here. Offline downloading, download best view, download only on Wi-Fi, you can turn it on and off. Use mobile user agent, clear downloads files, refresh when app opens, sort, show app badge count, manage site logins. And here we have the push notification setting, Twitter, that it has linked with Twitter, the follow, about, and etc. And here we have the downloads that we can send, and here we have the premium. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from this amazing app from the article and news. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell.